Hey guys, wanted to do a quick shop tour on kind of the new arrangement here. I know a lot of you guys have already seen what we've been working on, but we're at a point now where we're gonna do an official tour. So we have the new and improved Viper room here. So in this room, we do fulfillment, we have our bulk, and then we do our assembly. Over here, this area is just still kind of open. You know, most of the time when we do our pickups, they'll all be picked up right here. We'll also get packages delivered up here now too, whereas in the past we did in the back. But the first area we can talk about is the fulfillment area. So we have 3 fulfillment stations. Bridger's working on restocking stuff right now. We have our restock racks. So this rack is all low inventory, that is all internal stuff, meaning that we have it in bulk. Anything that ends up over here is going to be stuff that we order from vendors, bring in, and that's why we have more space for it. Once stuff gets restocked, it goes in these bins, and then at the end of the day, this cart will get wheeled over and stuff will be replenished over there. So Tawny has her paint set up right here with the printers for doing mask and decals and whatnot. Abby's set up right here for doing reordering and all of the other things that need to be done to keep things rolling out here. Now we have 2 toolboxes that have product in them. So we're still working on our grid system for that. And that's kind of just an internal thing. This area over here, right now we just got some bags in, so we're still, you know, they're not normally there, but we do have room for another workstation if we need one. So each workstation has a label printer, computer, and that way if they need to check and see what comes with the certain items or certain products, they can look at it on the website. That way they see exactly what you guys see when you're ordering. And then this area here is all bulk product, so it's all larger quantities of stuff, and we're actually starting to build up bulk of cars so that we can keep that stuff in stock and it really never goes out of stock. We also have more room to grow into, and we even have room here for another rack. So the main thing in this room is we have a lot more room to grow, which is awesome. This is our incoming rack. So this rack here has stuff that has come in from outside vendors. So some ProTrack stuff, some HC slot stuff. We had some RPMs gears out here earlier, and then other miscellaneous things that are in the works. This table setup, this is kind of a big addition to this room over the last room. The girls will print out the orders, have their stack right here, grab an order, and they'll basically just run through and pull whatever is needed. So just, you know, I mean, we have cars all in stock, which before a lot of these things we were making them to order. Now we have sufficient supply of everything. You know, custom arms, these are race spec Tyco timed arms. You know, we're trying to really bulk up on that kind of stuff. Cars with painted bodies, stuff's literally ready to go. We do have to kind of manage how much goes into each bin, because as you can see here, there is more than what can fit in here, and these are Neo Mags, and it's actually strong enough to stick up there, which is kind of funny. But anything like cars that we keep more, like this is the V-Spec right here, we keep quite a bit of those in stock, so a lot of times we can't keep that full amount in this bin. So we use these arrows, and we have a big bin up top that has more cars in it so that we aren't ever out when you guys need them. Just continuing to add more and more stuff, simplify things. These are all the V-Specs with bodies right here, Viper jets with bodies, all kinds of, I mean, everything that's on our store is all throughout this entire area. And we have a ton of space. So both of these racks can be filled out with the blue bins. Right now we only have the 4 part numbered ones up here. These ones all can be moved as we continue to add new products. We have all of our AFX track stuff out here now, and all of our AFX cars. So just, you know, when you guys order, or if you're thinking of ordering, remember all of our AFX cars come with a free set of tires. No extra cost, it's a little bonus. And you know, hopefully it gives you a reason to keep shopping with us. So once the order gets full or fulfilled, it stays right here. Have all of our shipping stuff down below that we can, you know, pull out. We did just get these done, so this is kind of a new thing. And I know it doesn't make a huge difference to you guys, but hopefully when you see that in your mailbox or up on your porch, you get excited before you even open it, because it's a Viper product. So that's this area. And like I said, you know, down the road, if we added a ton more stuff here, we could move this down, add more racks, but that's, you know, that's for the years to come. I'll show you kind of the back here, which you guys, you know, have seen quite a bit, but we have big plans for back here, which right now it's pretty empty. We do have the track, obviously you guys are familiar with both of our tracks, but the old driver station for the RC stuff, that is gonna be gone, and we're gonna end up bringing in different equipment back here to start making more stuff in-house under this roof, which is gonna be pretty exciting. So we're super excited about that. Still quite a ways out on that because the equipment is super expensive, very specialized. So we just need to make sure we get exactly what we need. And then the old Viper room, which is right here, currently we just have it set up for SCDRL stuff right now. So it's kind of our on-flow or inflow onboarding process, but this room will end up probably becoming a inspection clean room. So when we're making products in the back, anything that we make, it will flow through here for inspection, clean, climate controlled. There's also room for, you know, probably another desk or so if we end up with an engineer that is here for the manufacturing side of things in the back. But that's what's going on in here. The old bulk room is now a little break room, which we do have a proper table ordered for this, but we have the fridge and snacks and stuff in here. So this room, I think, was my office at one time, was John's office at one time. Now I'm up here, John's up in the front. I've been in all 3 of those ones so far. So the only one I haven't been in is that room, but I doubt that's gonna happen. Some window stuff. We like all scales of Slotcars. And my office, which you guys have seen a gazillion times, and John's office. So he's working on some press tool holders right now. I don't know if you want to go show those, but that's something that's internal part for us so that we can keep track of each different type of press setup. Pretty cool. But that leads us back up to the front, which we have this little track. If anybody's interested in this thing, let me know. It's fully turnkey, controller, power supply, whole works. Does have to be shipped freight, or you can come and get it. But if you're interested in that, reach out, support viperscaleRacing.com. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the tour. We're excited. We appreciate you guys. We'll see you on the next one.